Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
That on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Ivan. Magkakaroon ka na ng discount at ID. Pero alam ko, marami ka pang birthday na darating para sa'yo. Dahil blessed na blessed ka ni Lord. Kaya nga wala akong maisip na wish para sa'yo. Kundi kung ano na lang ang wish mo sa special day mo. At alam ko naman na ibibigay ni Lord yun. Kaya stay what you are, stay healthy, at stay beautiful and kind. Kasi para sa akin, kayo po ang pinakamaganda at pinakamabait kong tita. Happy birthday ulit, Tita Ivan.
Ivan, happy birthday. I hope you can celebrate your birthday with the family, and I hope you have a lot of fun. I'm thinking about you very much today, and I hope to see you very soon. Greetings from Switzerland. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Chi! Palagi ko lang hiling sa'yo yung kasiyahan, kapanatagan, at mahaba-habang buhay pa. Para sa inyong dalawa ni Pastor Bob, na mag-birthday na rin pala next month. So, gusto ko lang din sabihin sa'yo na sobrang blessed ako at yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Kasi, napakaganda mong blessing sa marami. Sa amin. So, thank you. And I love you so much. I love you so much. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ivan! Matanda pala ako sa'yo na a couple of months. Anyway, kaya Ivan na lang. Anyway, I just would like to greet you and honor you today sa support na binibigay mo kay Pastor Bob. And kung hindi naman nag-yes ka sa pag-support sa kanya, walang Pastor Bob, walang church, walang family, walang community. And it all began with your decision to support him. And alam naman natin na whatever the wife says, sinusunod talaga ng asawa. And we're just so thankful that you are such a great blessing to the new community, yung mga family na nabubuo sa church ninyo, the youth, the professionals, and we can really see a good future because you are always willing to accept or to receive new things from God. May God bless you, and again, happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita Ivan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Hindi ka na mahihirapang mag-discount, automatic bibigay na sa'yo. And we love you so much. And say that, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lola.
Lola, Mami, happy birthday! Say happy birthday!
Look at the camera.
Tita, ingat kayo lagi. God bless you. Palakas kayo lagi. And salamat sa buhay sa buhay mo na patuloy nagpapagamit sa Panginoon. We miss you so much and see you soon. And once again, happy birthday to you. Bye-bye. God bless you more. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tita. I just want to say a happy birthday and stay pretty. God bless you.
Hello po, Tita Ivan. I wish you a happy 60th birthday. Today, we're not just celebrating your special day, we're also celebrating the amazing person you are. You're a blessing for everyone around us, and you're filled with joy and kindness. I'm wishing you lots of love, laughter, and all the things which make you happy. Ingat po.
Happy birthday, Tita Ivan. I wish you all the best and a very happy and blessed birthday. And na makapag-enjoy po kasi day nyo with the family and lots of handa and a wonderful year to come for you. Ingat po and regards po sa lahat. And Grise from Switzerland.
Happy birthday! Hi Ate Ivan, happy blessed birthday po. We are so thankful kay Lord sa life nyo dahil alam kong ginagamit ka ng Panginoon na maging blessing, hindi lang sa amin, hindi lang sa family ko, hindi lang sa family ko dyan ngayon sa Pilipinas, kundi you are a blessing sa lahat ng tao na nakapaligid po sa inyo. Truly, the blessing will flow. Yun po yung prayer namin sa inyo. Given na yun na ibabless kayo ni Lord kasi you are following yung pinapagawa sa inyo ng Panginoon. And you are supporting your husband, your poging-poging husband na Pastor Bob. Kaya ate, keep it up. I pray na mas lalo ka pang pagandahin ng Panginoon. Mas lalo ka pa niyang gamitin para sa mga ministry niya. I love you, ate!
Hi man, birthday mo pala, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay long life at ang prosperity sa buong pamilya mo. At napakabuti ng inyong paglilingkod sa Lord. Kaya lagi ko po kayong pinagpe-pray, ang mga pastor at ang asawa ng pastor.
Yes, at si Ate Ivan, ang aking kumare na napakabait. Kaya regards na lang po sa buong family. Thank you, ate. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hello po Nanay Ivan, happy 60th birthday po. Ang bilis ng panahon and isa po kayo sa mga nag-guide sa faith journey namin kay God. And we're so thankful po sa presence na yun kasi we will never be this strong without it po. Kaya naman, enjoy your day po ngayon and I love you from Saudi to Philippines. Mwah!
Hi Ate Ivan, happy birthday! Hindi halata na magsisenior ka na. Sana all. Happy birthday. You are so pretty inside and out. Napakabait mo at namimiss na kita. Minsan bigla na lang ako susulpot dyan. God bless you more and I love you. Happy birthday!
Good morning, Ivan. Darating na pala yung 60th birthday mo. Prayer namin, sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng good health and continuous more birthday to come. And welcome to the world of seniors. Magbe-benefit ka na sa iyong 20% discount.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey,
happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ban.
Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday.
Hi, Ate Ivan. Happy 60th birthday. May you continue to be the salt and light to your family and ministry. God bless.
Hello, kamusta na kayo? Kingdom Generation. Ako ay nagagalak, kami dalawa ay nagagalak. No, 10 ng ENJ si Paliparan. Pastora Ivan Ocaña, maraming salamat sa buhay mo. I wish na itong birthday mo ay maraming pagpapala ang dumating sa inyo. At higit sa lahat, maraming kaluluwa na talagang lalapit at sasamba dyan sa Kingdom Generation. At kami ay bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday!
Happy birthday!